Good morning or afternoon, everybody. This is Sherry. I just have a quick project share I wanted to share with you. I made this gingerbread house, and hold on just a minute and I'll show you the dies that I use. Um, okay, look at that pretty house over here, and I'll show you the dies that I used. This is a Cottage Cuts die, and it is icicle border. And there's numbers on it if you'd like to look it up. Anyway, it's an icicle border, and I used it on my little house here. And then this is a Creative Expressions die. It makes the roof. There's that one if you need to know what that one is so you can pick it up. And the other one is also a Creative Expressions die. Let me see if I can move these enough to get the number here. I want to be able to share that with you today. Oh, Lord, it's stuck. Oh, I should have done this before I started my video. Anyway, it is the Festive Collection Gingerbread House. And on this little corner right here, you can see what number it is. I got this idea from Miss Ida from Created to Create. She is an absolutely amazing crafter. I don't know if any of you guys have watched her videos, but I just love them. So anyway, I created this little gingerbread house, and the door opens, but I don't have anything really cute inside the door. Let's see. See, it opens. I used the Santa Baby paper from last year. I hope this is focusing in. And then inside the die, it has these candy canes. It's part of the die. And the leaves here are part of the dies. And then this is Prima Flower from the Santa Baby paper. This is a bow I just made out of some of the stuff I have laying around here. And then I added a little tree, and I put a sequence snowflake on the top because it didn't have anything on the top. And then I put the icicles on the side underneath the roof so that they actually look like they hang down. And I cut my little windows out here, and I used vellum for part of my windows, and let me show you why. Oh, and this is just that fake snow that we get with glue. You can open it up, and it becomes a container. So I'm sorry about my dogs, you guys. They don't usually bark like this. Give me just a second, and they'll hopefully go to the other room to bark. Okay. You can put like one of those little tea light candles that are electric or whatever that run on the batteries in here, and these little windows, it will make them glow. You can see it glowing through there, or you could just make like some cards or candy or a gift inside there, and then it's a gift that keeps on giving all year long because you can set it out for decorations. So, well, not all year long, but during Christmas time, it's just gorgeous for that. I used my Snowtex pen without the heat to do the white on the roof, and then I just put glitter that I have around here, and I made this little tassel to hang off of it. I don't know if I'm going to leave it on there or not. I just thought that that was kind of a neat idea that Ida did, and I didn't do anything to the back of it. I just left it plain. So anyway, I am going to put, if I can find it, in the description below, I'm going to put Created to Create's her video of this on there, and in her video underneath in the description she has a place where you can find the dies and all that kind of stuff, but I really want you to check hers out because they are so awesome. Alright guys, I'm going to get off here. God bless. I hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving. I'm not sure if I will do another video before Thanksgiving, but just in case I don't, have a happy Thanksgiving. Think of things that you were thankful for. I have thousands of them that I have been thinking about. So anyway, God bless you, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.